today's topic is object and class in Java. It is the first concept of OOPS programming. Now let's see what's the object and class. Object is any entity that has state and behavior known as an object. For example, a dog is an object because it has state like color, name, breed, and the behavior like wagging the tail, barking, eating, and etc. State is like a data value and behavior is like a functionality of the data. And what is class? Class is a collection of similar objects. It is like a blueprint. It can contain the fields, method, constructor, and the inner classes, nested class, interface, and many other things. Now let's start with the program. Now the first is like the both the object and class will be within the main function. So within it's comment within the main function. First we have to make the class by class keyword. The class name will be the same name as you have the file name. Like student, my file name is student, so class name will be student. Now we are taking the data types int. Int is a integer data type which take integer value like id. Now the string which will take the string values like name. Now it is within the main class, so now the main class. Now we will create the object. For object, first take the class name. Now the object name, whatever you want, like I said, the s1 equals to now new keyword. Now again class. Now the object is ready. We can use however we wanna use it. Now let's print the default values of the object, id and the name. Now we will compile it by java c student dot java. We will run it like java student. It is zero and null because we didn't pass any value. We just print the default values. Now let's see. Now let's see how to initialize these values. For initializing, we can use it like s when we want to give value in id. So s1 dot id equals whatever we wanna give id 101. Now s1 dot name, it will be in double quotes. It's ready. Now save it and compile and run it. Here is the values. We can create multiple objects in this. Like there is only one object s1. We can create multiple. Just like that, we can create the second object. Let's see. I will name it s2. Now I will enter the value in second object s2 dot id equals to 1 to s2 dot name equals to whatever the name. Now I will print the values s2 dot id s2 dot name. Save it and let's see. Here is the values. And now let's see the next example program where we can initialize it through methods, object and classes through methods. Let's see it in next video.